Most freight dispatcher schools sell you a course, we give you a career. I want to share something with you that I honestly believe separates Truck Driver Nation from almost every other freight dispatcher training company in the country. Most companies are focused on one thing: selling you a course. Once you've paid your money, they give you a login, maybe answer a few questions, and then they send you on your way to figure everything else out. You're left trying to find carriers, trying to find owner-operators, trying to find a job, trying to figure out how to actually make money. That's not how we built Truck Driver Nation. Our mission has always been much bigger than simply selling a training course. Our goal is to build professional freight dispatchers that owner-operators can trust with their businesses. That means we don't stop caring about your success after you complete the course. If you complete our Freight Dispatcher Certification course and you want to work with Truck Driver Nation, we will give you a guaranteed employment opportunity. Think about that for a minute. We're willing to hire our own graduates. That's how much confidence we have in our training. Now, let me also be completely transparent. This is a guaranteed opportunity, not a guaranteed career. Those are two completely different things. We are going to give you the opportunity. What you do with that opportunity is completely up to you. We'll bring you onto our team. We'll onboard you. We'll mentor you. We'll answer questions. We'll help you grow. We'll teach you how our business operates. But we're not going to go back and reteach the Freight Dispatcher Certification course after you're hired. The purpose of the course is to prepare you for the job. By the time you complete the training, you should already understand load boards, rate negotiations, dispatch procedures, documentation, customer communication, and everything else we covered. When you come to work for Truck Driver Nation, we're expecting you to apply what you've already learned. Our role changes from instructor to mentor. We'll help you become faster. We'll help you become more efficient. We'll help you solve real-world problems. We'll help you grow professionally, but you've got to come prepared. If you're looking for someone to sit beside you every day and reteach the course from the beginning, this opportunity probably isn't the right fit. We're building professionals, not babysitting employees. Now let's talk about what success looks like. Our owner-operators trust us with their livelihoods. Every load we book affects a real family. Every rate negotiation affects someone's paycheck. Every decision we make has consequences. That's why professionalism matters, communication matters, organization matters, integrity matters, performance matters. We are looking for dispatchers who take ownership of their work and understand that they are managing real businesses, not just moving freight. As you develop your skills, you'll begin building your dispatch portfolio. Some owner-operators may be assigned to you by Truck Driver Nation based on operational needs. We also expect every dispatcher to actively participate in building their own portfolio through company-approved recruiting efforts. The recruiting skills we teach are not optional. They're part of becoming a complete freight dispatcher. Professional dispatchers don't simply wait for opportunities. They help create them. Now here's where things become really exciting. If you accept the challenge and perform at the level we're looking for, you'll have the opportunity to earn a one-time $5,000 performance achievement bonus. This is not a sign-on bonus. This is not an advance. This is not a commission. It's a cash bonus earned through performance. To qualify, you must manage a minimum of 7 active full-time owner-operators. Not 6, 7. 7 is the minimum standard. Once you're actively managing 7 or more trucks, you'll begin accumulating qualifying days. Your goal is to accumulate 182 qualifying days, which is approximately 6 months during your first year of employment. Those qualifying days do not have to be consecutive. If your truck count temporarily falls below 7, your qualifying day count simply pauses until you're back to managing 7 or more qualifying trucks. But truck count alone doesn't earn the bonus. Quality matters just as much. We're going to evaluate your professionalism, your communication, your customer service, your documentation, your ability to negotiate profitable freight, your organization, your reliability, and your overall performance. Every trailer division has different financial expectations. Dry van is different from reefer. Reefer is different from flatbed. Flatbed is different from step deck. Our performance standards are built around those differences because our responsibility is to maximize the success of every owner-operator we serve. We'll also meet with you regularly during your first 90 days. We'll coach you. We'll review your progress. We'll help you improve because we want you to succeed. Your success helps our owner-operators succeed. It helps Truck Driver Nation grow. And it helps you build a long-term career in this industry. But I also want to be honest with you. Not everyone is going to make it. Some people complete the course and never apply themselves. Some people refuse coaching. Some people don't follow the systems. Some people don't put in the effort. Truck Driver Nation isn't looking for people who just want a paycheck. We're looking for professionals who want to build something meaningful. If you show up every day prepared to learn, prepared to work, prepared to communicate, prepared to serve our owner-operators, prepared to follow proven systems, then we'll invest in you every step of the way. We'll give you the opportunity. We'll give you the mentorship. We'll give you the support. We'll give you real-world experience. And if you prove yourself by meeting every qualification requirement, we'll reward that achievement with a one-time $5,000 cash performance achievement bonus. That's how strongly we believe in our training. That's how committed we are to building successful freight dispatch professionals. If you're looking for more than just another online course, if you're looking for a real career, if you're willing to work hard, master the training, and earn your place, then I personally invite you to join Truck Driver Nation. Let's build your future together.